Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into device settings. Now scroll down, select password and biometrics, click on set lock screen password over here, wait 5 seconds and click on continue in this pop-up. Now click on use a different password type and select one of the available ones by clicking at the chosen one. When you're ready, enter your login method and repeat it. After that, if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by clicking on add and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though, so now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, icon set pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!